Nikon, thanks so much for ruining my New Year resolution and keeping giving me gas. Sorry about that. I was a bit carried away. Hello everybody, it's Haj here and welcome back to my channel. Last year I thought I completed my photo gear collection and I was promising myself to get rid of my gas this year. It's not that type of gas. I'm talking about gear acquisition syndrome. But unfortunately, right at the beginning of this year, I got the Nikon 180 to 600 millimeter lens and the Nikon Z8 camera. I pre-ordered the 180 to 600 millimeter lens at Nikon Dresden just 2 days after its announcement. I planned to bring the lens on my holiday, but 5 months later, I still did not receive the lens, so I cancelled my order. But the buzz around the lens was amazing, so I just could not resist it when Photoware Heart actually gave me a special rabatt of 200 euros. My opinion about the lens is in my previous video, which you can find here. And what I can say is that yes, it's a great lens, but not as far ahead of the 200 to 500 millimeters as I thought it would be. The Z8 on the other hand, I bought it during the Nikon trade-in promotion. I'd been trying to sell my D500 but did not manage to. So when Nikon Munich offered me 650 euros for my D500, plus then the 300 euros trade-in bonus, I did not manage to resist and took the jump. The problem is that now I have the D850, which I have some kind of emotional attachment with, and the Z8 and the Z9. But photography is just a hobby for me. Free camera bodies are just too many for my needs. And I just want to keep the Z9 as my primary camera and one backup camera, then either the Z8 or the D850. The most logical decision will be to sell the D850 because the Z8 is very similar to the Z9, especially after the last firmware update. However, there is just one little thing that bothers me with the Z8. It's not about the plasticky build quality, I can live with that. It's about the battery grip. Why the hell does it not support the bigger NL18 batteries? Almost all grip of the Nikon's high-end DSLR cameras support the big NL18 battery. Why not the grip of the Z8? I love using battery grip because it balances better with long telephoto lenses, and the extra power also then provide longer shooting opportunities. But of course, like any other Nikon's battery grip, the Z8 grip is overpriced. And in addition, I just could not stand the need of buying extra batteries of different format while I already have several NL18 batteries at hand. And talking about grip, hey Nikon, why not copy that great design from Canon? Do you see what I see here? Look at the front function buttons. Canon's camera have 4 of them, while Nikon camera only have 3. I never missed that 4th button until my frequent use of the Z9. I programmed the FN1 and the FN3 button to recall shooting settings, and the FN2 button then for different focus area mode. And how often did I wiggle my middle finger looking for that FN2 button to only realize that actually I'm on a vertical mode and there is no FN2 equivalent there. With Canon camera, with integrated grip of course, the buttons will always be there no matter which way you hold the camera. So Nikon, can you copy that from Canon please? Anyway, back to the Z8 D850 dilemma. If on the other hand, let's say I keep the D850 and sell the Z8, I will have almost 4,000 euros back in my pocket. Of course, switching back and forth between the Z9 and the D850 will not be as easy as switching back and forth between the Z8 and the Z9, but I think I will be able to live with it because I'm already so used with the D850 anyway. The main worry that I have is that I will have to deal with lens fine-tuning again, which is the primary reason why I moved to mirrorless cameras. I'm not saying that the D850 is a crappy camera. I still believe that it is the best all-around DSLR camera ever made, and it will always be. And it is able to deliver what the Z8 and the Z9 can offer. Just require a little bit more skills. But because I'm undecided, I just put both cameras on sale. I will let the buyer decide for me. I will be happy to keep the one that they do not want, be it the Z8 or the D850. And that's it for this video, and until next time then, bye!